pals, so we are here at Animal Kingdom Lodge, and Animal Kingdom Lodge has two separate resorts or two separate buildings. One is Jamba House and the other is Kidani Village. Kidani Village is a DVC resort, but you don't have to be a DVC member to stay here. So we are staying in a studio room here, and we're going to give you a room tour. Now they have studio rooms with a standard view and also a Savannah. This is a studio room that has a standard view. As soon as you walk in, you have your small little kitchenette here. It has a sink, coffee pot, and a toaster microwave. Looks like you got your paper products up here. And this cabinet, you got some cups, your ice bucket, you have some dish soap, you got Joffrey's coffee here. You also have a little mini fridge here. And here's where your trash can is. As soon as you go right past the kitchenette is the bathroom. In the bathroom area, the toilet is separate. You can close it off. Oh, and you got a full-length mirror on the back of that door. I think that's always nice when you can close off the toilet area from the bathroom, so somebody can be getting ready, fixing their hair, getting ready to go to the parks if somebody needs to do their business. Now you have tons of space here on the cabinet, the countertop, and you even have this extra shelf. Hey pals. Yeah, still got that H2O products right here, your lotion and your face soap. And you also have the H2O products here. It is on the wall mount. Now Disney did announce that they were discontinuing the H2O products, but so far we're still seeing the H2O products. And you have the handy dandy curtain rod that hangs right here to hang your bathing suits. It's just a standard shower. You have your African animals right here. I know in Jamba House they have a Lion King theme. This seems to be more just African themed. Hey. Let's see. When I didn't open these drawers, there is the hair dryer and nothing in there. You have a closet here as soon as you come out. That's where the safe is located. Also you have an ironing board and an iron, extra pillows and blankets. Now this can be a conjoining room. There's the door for that. And when you come into the studio area, first thing you see is armoire. Oh, plenty of hangers, plenty of room to hang your clothes, storage, put your luggage. Same here. I don't know what you would really put there. Maybe your luggage down in the bottom. There's nothing to hang anything up on the top, but it does have detail with animals. You have your luggage rack, and then you have your TV. You got 4 drawers here. They are smaller drawers, similar to like a nightstand size is what I would compare them to. And then you have like a little cabinet, 2 little cabinets underneath. On top of the TV stand, you have a total of 4 plug-ins, 2 on both sides, and you also have 2 USBs on both sides. So a total of 4 USBs and 4 plug-ins. That's always helpful. And I'm going to point out the little hidden Mickey here. There are 4 of them, 1 on each side. And that is the only true Disney detail that we have seen in this room. Okay, and then you have a seating area here, along with a mirror. Hey, pals. Mirror with 2 lights above it. Fancy. And you also have a light right here. Fancy. We'll go over here and show the bed area. This does have a queen size bed and also a queen size sleeper sofa. Now the bed area, you only have 1 nightstand, which is in between the sofa and bed. So you'll be sharing that if you happen to be using the sleeper sofa as well and you need to put your phone somewheres. But there is 2 plug-ins and 2 USBs right beside the phone. You have a little storage here. Let's see. And we have light. There's 2 lights right above the bed. And I also just turned on the fan, which I think is awesome, especially if you are sleep a little bit warmer than most. It's really nice to see a fan in here. I know that's not very common in many resorts. Like I said, this is a sleeper sofa. It is a queen size and it does pull out right here. And you have a coffee table here in the middle. Let's see if these can be separated. Yeah, so they can be separated if you need to for some reason. Maybe you have 2 people who's needing a work area. That would be great. And then above the couch, you also have some African art, which is very similar to the tapestry above the bed. That's just gorgeous. Now we're gonna head outside and see the view. Like I said, this is a standard view. They do have studio rooms with Savannah views. And it looks like we have parking lot view. That comes along with having the standard view. Directly right over in front of us is the bus area. And then looks like we have the pool area right over there by the bathrooms. Now you do have 2 chairs out here on the patio. The detail continues out here on the patio with the zebra on the back of the chair. I just absolutely love it. Let's see what we got over here. And we are on the 5th floor. That is the top floor here at Kidani Village. You do have a privacy wall between the balconies. And we're here at the end, so we only got 1 privacy wall. Yeah. Okay, pals, so I will say, even though this is a standard view room, there's plenty of places to see the Savannah animals. This morning when we were walking to the elevator, we got to see giraffe, zebra, cattle, some birds, which was really nice. They were very active. That was around 9 o'clock this morning. Just for a reference, I know cast members have said that the animals are more active early in the morning or later in the evening. I'll insert some of that footage right here.
There's a giraffe right off the lobby. Just eating some browse. We've got some zebras out here.
Anco cattle.
Is that an Anco cattle? Anco cattle. Oh, there's some birds down there too. Oh, here's a giraffe. Hi, friend.
So pals, I think that wraps up the studio room tour with the standard view here at Kidani Village. Thanks, pals.